Welcome to Memphis. As one of the most celebrated cities in the U.S., Memphis is the official home to blues music, world-famous Bill Street, Elvis's beloved Graceland, and the largest three-service utility provider in the nation, Memphis Light, Gas, and Water, the heartbeat of it all. 2011 marks a very crucial year in Memphis's history as it marks the 200th anniversary of the city's seismic earthquake. Today, the U.S. Geological Survey and the Center for Earthquake Research and Information of the University of Memphis estimate that similar new matrix seismic zone earthquakes have a 7 to 10% chance of reoccurring within the next 50 years. As the city's lifeline, MLGW began its earthquake preparedness measures long before the anniversary of the seismic quakes of 1811 and 1812 by implementing crucial seismic retrofitting measures in 4 key areas: electric, gas, water, and facilities. These crucial measures will ensure that the most vital resources are available to the residents of Memphis and Shelby County following a major seismic event. An earthquake on the new matrix seismic zone has the potential to cause widespread and prolonged electrical power outages to more than 900,000 residents of Shelby County, resulting in large economic and potentially life-threatening impacts. Memphis Light, Gas, and Water is aiming to drastically reduce the potential for significant loss of critical electric power in the event of an earthquake through a program of both targeted retrofits of existing equipment and robustly designed new installations.
Hurricane Elvis taught Memphis that. We saw the Basir building downtown, the number 1 Beale building downtown. They were damaged. Number 1 Beale was completely demolished after that. Those buildings were not designed for horizontal force, and they're the first ones that received damage from an earthquake. So it's important. We have 6,000 buildings like that. It's no one's fault that they're there. They predate any code. We can't snap our fingers and say they should also be retrofitted. That's not cost effective.
Memphis Light, Gas, and Water is aiming to drastically reduce the potential for significant loss of critical electric power in the event of an earthquake through a program of both targeted retrofits of existing equipment and robustly designed new installation.
Memphis Light, Gas, and Water has done a great job in acquiring federal funds outside of our city budget to support retrofitting facilities that will make us more resilient to all disasters. Public utilities are going to be in the limelight. They're going to be the people, the boots on the ground immediately following a disaster that are helping people with very special needs that need power following a disaster. So prioritizing what gets turned back on first, strengthening the connections around those places like hospitals, what serves our hospitals, the substations. And these are part of the comprehensive plan that I've seen in general for Memphis Light, Gas, and Water.
One of the seismic retrofit projects MLGW has undertaken is to seismically anchor all of its existing unanchored substation power transformers. Substation transformers are critical pieces of equipment as they provide power to all of the circuits from an electric substation. Substations built in the last 30 years have seismically designed foundations and anchorages for these transformers. For older stations, many of these transformers are unanchored and sit on rails as they were delivered to the substation by rail car. MLGW is currently anchoring all of its older substation transformers to the foundation to prevent the transformers from sliding off its foundation in an earthquake.
It's cost effective to retrofit older facilities for the design forces that you know that may come into play.
Another seismic retrofit project MLGW is currently making preparations for is a retrofit of its unanchored network systems transformers. These transformers feed the majority of downtown Memphis, the Central Business District, and the Medical Center.
Power means life to some people who are on dialysis. Those people have been identified, and Memphis Light, Gas, and Water, Shelby County Office of Preparedness, and Memphis Fire Department are ready to go to those places following a disaster to make sure we address that. Addressing special needs following a disaster is largely based on the ability of the public utility in question to respond effectively and to plan ahead of time.
Memphis Light Gas and Water is also making preparations for other prioritized seismic retrofit projects in accordance with its comprehensive seismic risk assessment. These retrofit projects include anchoring other older components in its substations and electrical distribution system to try and prevent damage and widespread prolonged power outages to the Memphis and Shelby County community. As we learn more about earthquake hazards, MLGW has been a leader in retrofitting its facilities in preparation for a major natural disaster. At MLGW, our commitment is to provide our customers with the efficient and safe delivery of electricity, natural gas, and water services. These proactive measures in planning for future possible natural disasters has positioned MLGW to remain the heartbeat of our community and a leader in the utility services.